Hi, I'm Aishwarya. This video is part of CS 5610 Web Development course at Northeastern University for the summer of 2026. The goal of the video is to demonstrate my portfolio website that I built with plain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. No other libraries were used. I spent some time implementing the CSS animations and JavaScript interactions to keep it creative, to bring some personality into it, and hopefully keep the website as my official portfolio in the future. So let's get started. To start with, the logos that you can see here, I developed it using favicon, and I decided on the color palette using Palette Maker website. So you click on it, you can see a soft transition for visual appeal, a greeting, and a small JavaScript animation showing like a typewriter to give a little bit information of who I am. And this is my portrait, and on hover you can see it tilts a little bit and shows different icons that pop out, and they will take you to different sections in the home page. For example, let's go to the project section. The project section is a simple carousel feature I built using JavaScript, and the different both the arrows will take us in the different directions. And on hover, each project card will be lifted up a bit and show that it is getting highlighted. And on click, it will take you to the corresponding section in the projects page, which we'll get into later. And you can see the dots get updated as well when you move. The next section is to show my skills. This is a boba cup with boba pearls in it, and there's a hint that says you have to click to spill and hover to explore. When you click on it, the boba pearls get scattered, and each pearl is to show the different skill set that I have. For example, the languages that I know, the architectures I've worked with, etc. And when you click back on it, the pearls get into place, and it is accompanied with an audio to simulate a boba. The last section in the homepage is the contact section with just my email, my LinkedIn, and my GitHub. And that's about the homepage. So let's go to the project page. For each project, you can see that there's a GIF to give you an idea of what the site is about, some information about it, and a live demo button that will take you to the actual site, and a GitHub link that will take you to the code repository. The next page is the About section. In the About page, this page is completely AI generated. I had a basic template in mind and the features that I wanted to be implemented, and I fed my resume to Claude and I got this. So, some info about me, and this transition animation will show you the timeline of my career. For example, I'm currently doing my master's in computer science, and these are my previous work experiences back in India. The other two links in the navbar are my LinkedIn and a resume that you can download via the browser. So I try to keep all the necessary information in the navbar itself, so you don't have to go through the site to get my contact and my info. If you don't have time, you can just directly get it on the navbar, and if you do have time, you can explore the site. So that is about it. And I also try to keep the layout responsive to multiple devices. For example, in mobile, you can see the navbar changed into a hamburger icon, which you can click on to get different links for navigation. And some features have been adapted as well. For example, the carousel, you don't need the arrow marks anymore. You can just use your native scroll interaction in a mobile. Some layouts have been updated as well to accommodate the different screen sizes. So that is about it. Um, Please do let me know if there are any suggestions that I can build in the future. Thank you so much.